Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have here the One Chip Challenge 2022 and me, my brother and my cousin are gonna try it today.
Recording.
All right, grab your piece.
Oh my gosh.
Wait bro, give a little piece to Sophie. Or here, I'll give you a little piece, okay?
Oh my gosh, but mine's huge. Wait, take one. Oh.
Okay, ready guys?
Isha.
On three, okay?
Isha, let's go back.
3, okay.
Wait, guys, wait. No. Something happened. Bruh. Come on. Isha, we're recording. Lolo, I need more milk.
Open it and pour some. Guys, that's actually so hot.
My lips. Lolo, I can open it.
Wait.
Gosh. Before the walking trophy. That's gross.
Guys, I can't even last 1 minute.
I still haven't drank in minutes.
Yes, you have.
No? Oh my god.
Guys, I'm not lying. This chip is burning. No more milk. It's mine.
Oh my god.
Go get bread.
I'll go get bread. Lopi, hurry up. Hurry. Kaka, Kaka, mana. Oh, Danya, give me some of the milk.
It's running out. Guys, this is the aftermath. Sophie dying over here. He's chilling because he spit out the chip.
No, I didn't spit it out.
Oh. But guys, at first, it's so cold. It's so hot. I almost threw up, but I just swallowed it, and now it's not that bad. But it just feels like my mouth is like on fire right now. Like my tongue just hurts really bad. But it's not right now, at least. It's not that bad. I gotta wash my hands before I touch my eyes with this, because if I touch my eyes, I'm probably gonna go blind. But Sophie, how are you doing?
Bad.
Look at me.
No.
Bro, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. It's just the thing that I really did bad was I had the chip and it wasn't spicy in my mouth, but once I swallowed it, it got way worse.
And the reason why we're all dying right now is because we're at a party right now. As you can tell, we're outside and we only brought one bottle of milk. So now we're out of milk, and this is why we're just like dying right now. But
I can't breathe, Milo.
I'm chilling right now. It's going away a little. How are you doing?
I feel like I can't breathe.
Look at the camera. Is it spicy?
Look.
Is it still spicy right now?
Wait, I'm gonna
Like super? Is it still super hot?
Yeah, look. Since I broke it on my lips, it's stinking hot.
All right, guys, the aftermath.
My lips are burning and my stomach too.
And bro, more chilling. And bro,
My stomach hurts
a lot or a little bit?
a lot.
Oh no. And for me, I'm good right now. My stomach only hurts a little bit, but yeah. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see us eat this chip again, and all of us will get a full chip with Sophie and Damian again, make sure to like and subscribe, okay guys? And if you eat this chip and you don't like chile, you'll probably end up like this guy right here. But that's gonna be it. Okay, bye guys.